So what we have here are some lovely milk kefir grains. I use goat's milk, local if I can find it, unhomogenized. I can't find any unpasteurized milk, which is such a drag. But there we go, they've made it illegal. What can you say? So we've got our kefir grains in here. And if we just go past, oh God, I just couldn't resist showing you this smoothie. So I just made this vegetable and fruit smoothie that's got some cacao nibs on it. But on the top, it has, what you can also see there, some delicious goat's milk kefir. Wow, and I hear you say goat's milk kefir, like, ooh, God, strong. Well, it is fairly potent, and it is fizzy. It is like white champagne. I mean, this stuff, I've just decanted it warm from the pot, and it is incredible. It's effervescent, creamy. Just get the texture of that. So that is my homemade kefir, and then I'm gonna stick that in the fridge, and that'll last for at least 4 or 5 days, or at least it would if I didn't eat it all. So what are these grains? Well, I don't know. Someone said they're bacteria from the inside of sheep's gut, which sounds not very vegan to me. But they're incredible probiotics, and they taste absolutely delicious. So, empty bowl, tummy full of goodness.